If you're watching this, it's probably because math is stressing you out. Maybe it's college algebra, calculus, or stats, and no matter how hard you try, it just isn't clicking. You might be buried under overdue assignments, Canvas notifications, and sleepless nights wondering how you'll ever catch up. Maybe your math class is tanking your GPA. Maybe you're balancing work, family, or athletics with zero time left for problem sets. Or maybe you've got a test due tonight and can't take another low score. You're not alone. Thousands of college students are in the exact same spot. But the difference? You're here. And this video could be what turns everything around. I'm Dave, and I used to fail math miserably, but I turned it all around. Today, I run one of the largest college math discords in the US, where I've helped over 1,000 students transform failing grades into solid A's. For over 3 years, my team and I have mastered every platform colleges use. Canvas, Pearson MyLab, StatLab, Alix, Cengage, you name it. This channel exists for one reason: to help college students crush math fast. Every video is packed with proven tips, strategies, and real support to help you finish your math work quickly and accurately, without the burnout. Don't just take my word for it. See the actual results from students in our Discord community. When you work with me and my team, you get 3 unbeatable guarantees: a minimum 90% grade guarantee on every assignment, a deadline guarantee so you'll never miss a due date, and 100% confidentiality, always. So if you're ready to stop stressing and start winning at math, click the link in the description or join our Discord now. And let's turn your semester around today.